Contrary to popular opinion, QADI at the ZAT is a relatively high scoring section. CAT के अंदर देखा गया था that all the sections are equally important. अगर एक section में शायद ठीक से perform नहीं भी करोगे तो भी it was okay. You could have covered it with the other two sections. But ZAT के अंदर quant section अगर हम देखते हैं तो it is a high scoring section. Roughly 50% of your score is going to come from this particular section. So अगर 35, 36 score करने की इच्छा रखते हो तो वहां पे 16, 17, 18 marks are going to come from the QADI section. Now the DI part is going to be the game changer when it comes to the ZAT, because traditionally ये देखा गया है that the DI part is generally the more solvable one, and over the last couple of years we are expecting around 12 questions from the DI part and 16 questions from the quant part. अब quant वाले part के अंदर अगर देखते हो तो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा dramatic improvement करने के chances थोड़े कम हो जाते हैं, because there are roughly 150-160 topics that are there and उसके अंदर से हम टेस्ट करने वाले हैं 15 topics और 16 topics. So बहुत ज्यादा effort है और जो reward मिलेगा वो proportionate नहीं होगा. Sometimes we also see questions on higher maths appearing at the ZAT, so वो वाला part थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है. But if you are able to solve DI well, अगर 12 में से 8 या 9 questions भी ठीक से कर पाओ, that gives you a nice cushion जिसके ऊपर अपने quant के score को और build कर सकते हो, and that will go a long way in you getting that 30-35 kind of a score, which is a bare minimum good score that you will require to crack the ZAT.